what could be some natural options to sweeten my recipes? Okay, you can do it very easily. You can get fresh dates and use them as whole, or you can put them in a paste. You can actually soak them and use them in cereals, as well as raisins, or you can use figs, and you can do with the figs some jellies or some spreads for your bread. And you can use some fruits, like the banana will be great, or some people prefer the apples. And let me think what else you can do. You can use peaches or any other fruit that is in season. You can do many jellies, like strawberry jellies and things like that. But remember, keep it simple. Don't overload your recipes. And I think you will be able to have sweet treats that they will be good for you.